Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to becoming a front-end developer from zero, day 17. And as you guys can see, I am at work. I'm not in my room, and I have a limited time because, today was, I'm working the whole day today, so I have like an hour, literally an hour of the entire day just to make this video. So let's just get right into it. So before I start, I'm just gonna, because I realized that I didn't push updates yesterday, so I have one missing square on my GitHub. So that sucks. So git push, no git commit updates to project git push. Okay, so if you watched the previous video, you know that I had an issue with, so the only things that I'm struggling with right now is I have an issue with this, like this and that, and also really it's this one, like this. How can I make it like that? So I have no idea, because I've been thinking of using position, absolute position, and I can also use grid, because I think I gotta use grid area for this, but I'm not sure because I've only used grid area once, so I need to read myself up on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot and I'm gonna ask AI how I could do it, right? How I can go about that. So I'm just gonna search AI. Yeah. So we're gonna use Google Gemini. And let's wait for this one to load. So today's gonna be quite a short video. I might not even do anything because I just don't have that much time. So I hope you guys understand, but for me it's important to upload every single day. So every single day. Oh my god, what's going on? What is going on? Okay, internet is slow today. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna ask how can I accomplish this layout below with the okay, so let's say below the big line on mobile, and then hopefully it's smart enough to know what I mean. Okay, I know that one, right? Flex direction row. info. That's it? No way. Let me see. I just want to see the. Yeah, I gotta look side by side. So let's study this and see what AI did. So it's not really buttons, it's more like links, but it could be buttons too. So that's in its own. Then we have details, and then you have available there. And then you have, okay, so it has like so it has the image outside and it has the image in a div in a container. So interesting, but it doesn't. It's all wrapped in info. Oh, okay, so it has this in like, oh, okay. So I think I understand it. It's just the way you wrap like things, right? So I don't know why I couldn't understand that here. But how does it do it on mobile? Okay, mobile it's like, okay. All right. So let's try to do that. I think I understood it, but I've just not correctly wrapped it. So let's see. Okay, so we have one big thing, and then inside that we have, no, it's not that. Yeah, I don't know why. Why do you? Oh, okay. So, okay, I get it. So because it's using grid, right? I think it's using flex though. So grid is not necessary, it's just a structure. So I need to work more with HTML structure. So, but it had the image at the bottom, which is interesting. And then it wrapped these, right? Because that's what you gotta do. Oh my god, I don't know why this was difficult for me. Don't get it. So we need to put this here, and we need to wrap this. I call it tails floor. Yeah, hopefully nobody comes in here and interrupt me, even though I'm not gonna stay here that long. At least I want to do this one. If I can do this one, I'll be super happy. Super happy, guys. So, right, so the reason we wrap this is because we need to change the position of this, and that's all I had to do. And then are you freaking serious with me? You gotta be kidding me, guys. You gotta be kidding me. All right. So I had. Please say I have position. So we don't need that. We don't need this. Okay. So we need to center that first. All right. So we need to row. That needs to be. Bro. Yeah. How do you get the image there, though? Oh yeah, I know. Oh my god. Plan. Container. Okay. Look at that, guys. That's all I had to do. But it's not aligning that, so I have to put this in as well. And by the way, guys, I'm a bit tired, so if I don't make sense, you know why. You know why. We need to make another. That needs to be column. And then we need to. Like that. We need to have the button there too. Yeah, we can just change the position there later. Okay, but at least I figured that out, you know? It wasn't that hard. I was overthinking this so badly. I don't know why I was overthinking this. Yeah, I was overthinking because I was this, right? I was like, what? Instead of looking at it, like, okay, I can, you know, because everything that's happening is just like one container, and you wrap them column. They need to be column, and the entire thing row to keep them horizontal. So yeah, so mm, okay, I need to focus. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to center it. I don't know why the lines are not showing up, but we're gonna figure that out later. And I know my CSS is a bit messy, and this is what happens when you're not like planning properly. You just get everything messy. So I'm just trying to think like what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so it's the entire thing here. So display flex. No, it's not that one. Okay. I gotta. Oh. All right, guys. I don't know why when I flex this, it's flexing here too. Like, what is going on, man? And I have so many I have so many wraps. I'm not sure why. Yeah, if I display flex. I have the same name, I think. 100%. Why do I have the same name? Oh my god. Yeah, so that's also something that happens. I tend to get the same name or use the same name. So okay, so now we have it like that. Center. So it doesn't want to center. Even if I use margin 0. Okay, it centers. Yeah, I mean it's because of the line, right? It's giving us an issue here. Yeah, I'm at work right now and I see like it's kind of frustrating, you know? I was talking to one of the I mean, I know it's my fault, right? I don't want to blame anyone but myself because I need to take accountability. But I'm literally at work right now and I was talking to those IT guys, right? And I literally see them playing 8 ball pool, you know? He told me that they're not doing anything, they're just like relaxing. Okay, they do work, but it's not like a lot of work. It's very like good. It's like socializing, you know, and you get to learn. You're socializing, and it's like it just blows my mind. Like it's kind of like a lot of the work, like to get a job nowadays, like those big jobs titles, they don't do anything, you know, because like they have so much money that it doesn't matter. Like if you manage to get in somehow through network or actually qualifying, it's just drink coffee and socialize and do a bit of work and you go home, you know? So it's a bit frustrating because I'm like, there are people that really need a job, you know, and you have those people that have a job because they can socialize. Essentially boils down to that, right? Just bullshitting. Like you just if you are good at socializing and stuff, you can easily get a job, you know? But that's what it boils down to. So if you're a person that takes things serious, it's just you know, no. Yeah. So I don't know if I can. Maybe it's the size of the image. I don't know. Height. Yeah, I don't. I don't freaking know, guys. Um. So let's try to make this line appear first before we move on here. Um. So let me see. Line one. We haven't specified, but we have that up. This is mobile. So it still shows up on. It doesn't show up here. Hmm. Why do I have what? Oh, okay. So if I do display block, you're gonna work. Okay. Yeah, guys, I had like 4 hours of sleep today, so I'm extremely tired because I had to wake up like I worked 3 to 9. I mean, I worked 3 to 12, and today I had to work the bakery. I had to work at my other job, 6 a.m. Right, so yeah, really tired, man. Really tired, and then I have to wake up again at 4 a.m. Insane. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but yeah. So this is the unfortunate state of me. Like I just have a busy life sometimes, and I really hate it. So luckily I'm not stuck, but I'm trying to like survive. Okay, we have 80, 80. Let's just say 80, 80. So it looks a bit good. Not really. Okay, now we gotta figure out this. We have another line. We're gonna call it line 2. Line 2. So let me see. So this line is gonna be it's like the entire UL. Oh, so yeah. So the height is a bit. Okay, so it's there. It's visible. We need to put it like that. Yeah. Okay. Wait 100%. There we go. So we have the correct height, but it needs to be okay. So we need to like wrap that together, I guess. Yeah, I need to be up first. So yeah, my CSS right now is so messy because I just have random UIs. Not random UIs, but random like tags, you know. So we're gonna do, yeah, don't ask me why. Yeah, so when I do flex direction, it disappears because I want it on the row. Yeah, I could do that too, but do I need to? Kind of works, but then we need to flex this column. Oh my god, this is horrible, dude. Horrible. And then we need to gap everything like. Oh fuck. This is a really bad video. This is gonna be a bad video for sure. But yeah, this is part of the journey, guys, right? I don't just wanna, like, I don't want to get an anxiety because I didn't record a good video, you know? I want to document everything. Whether I'm tired or whatever. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm about. Okay, guys, so you guys can see I'm jerking a bit. Like, I'm just like struggling. I'm gonna make it work eventually. So justify content center. Okay. So feels like we are getting close to something. Floor plan. I literally have this. That is not. Come on, Blake. Come on, Blake. Alright, guys. So I don't know why it works when I do it here. I don't get it, but it doesn't work here. Fuck, I don't know. Alright, guys. I'm gonna have to end here. I apologize if you found this video compulsive, but I did my best. I showed up, which is what matters. Gotta do this tired, gotta do this bored, gotta do this exhausted. No excuses, right? That's what I'm about. So it's gonna be a long day today for me, but this too shall pass. Alright, guys, take care.